Hey, welcome in. FG here. So, we got some community mail tonight, but the first thing I thought I'd do is show off. Um, I ended up 3D printing a stand for my magnet slide. Puts it pretty steep, but it works. Bellows and I were having some back and forth conversation about the properties of metals. We see the 90% nice slide. Copper also has that slow slide. But then we look at things like brass. Not very good. Something that has Cooper nickel, really fast. And then something you may not be aware of, a coin that is aluminum, very, very light. So aluminum has the same properties as silver and copper. Just something I found interesting. But yeah, so I finally got my slide set up to where I don't have to hold it up in order to use it. So let's take a look at what we got in. First package, I've actually already opened this one, was from Seven, and she and I did a little exchange, and you'll see what she gets on her channel. But what she sent to me were some replacement rounds for the silver. She sent me a couple sunshine rounds. And I think I'm getting a couple sunshine rounds in trade from Silver and Cigars. You guys must not like sunshine. And then another sunshine, SMI mint sunshine. You see there, you can kind of see a little bit of the blemishes that are on that one. Then an Aztec round. This one's really got the maybe I don't have all my lights on. This one's really kind of got some of the milk spotting going on. There you can see it. You can see all that milk spotting up and around. And finally, a buffalo that's really pretty hazy. Milk spotting, like one big milk spot. So a bunch of blemished rounds from Seven. I love it because these are going to go straight back into the crucible. I guess kind of like a baptism by fire. They go in imperfect and they're going to come out something that looks a lot better. So that is what we got in from Seven. And then I got a letter from Cartier Silver. He and I had talked about doing a swag swap. So he had sent me off something here. Michael FG Stacker, here's a chip for your collection. Thank you for your support, much appreciated. Keep on keeping on. And there's our chip. And I need to get mine now that I have his mailing address. I need to get my chip in the mail and on its way back to him. He's got that a cool new wooden platform for his chips. I'm using the stands that I 3D printed. He's got one of the ones that's deep and has room for a lot of chips. Let's take a look at his. I think that's a close-up of a silver pour and his stamp. Sacking and pouring life. That is true. Let's see what we'll do here. We will move. We'll move another Liberty down, and Cartier will go right here in the top. So there we go. Another chip added to our collection, and we'll get my chip headed out to him for his collection. So that's it for today. I hope everyone's having a happy Friday, and we'll be back on Sunday morning. I'll probably do one of my world coins from the show. And actually, rather than pulling from the bag, I have one more, probably the one that I consider the gem of those that I picked up, that I'm going to show first. Well, not first, because we already showed some, but the one I'm going to show next is going to be this one that's a real gem. Or maybe we won't. I was here. I started to do some additional research on this to pull Numista stuff out. And I realized I didn't have the coin I thought I had. So this is what I bought. Bolivia 1876. I thought it was silver. It is not silver. So I kind of feel like an idiot again getting something that's not silver. But this is actually the coin I bought. It is Cooper nickel. It is very small. It is a 5 cent from 1876. So this won't count for my silver book, but I am going to show it right now. Just doing a quick search out on Numista, and so I mistook this coin for the 5 cent, because it is a 5 cent. But the other 5 cent has the coat of arms on the front and is silver. This one is actually a trade token, work encampment, mine and wage token is what it's listed as. A work encampment, mine and wage token. Again, Cooper nickel. The difference is on this side, it's got the lion under the tree instead of the coat of arms and the composition. I don't actually, well, I'll throw the Numista page up here real quick. Might as well do that. It looks like there's a web page to go to check a PDF about this in the comments. Looking out on, I just did a little bit of search in NGC's site also. They list a couple being graded, and that was why I got this. I thought this was in such awesome shape that I might send this in for grading. And I might still do that because there's so few that actually look like they're graded. And if I look out on eBay, let's see, looking out on eBay, if I look at that coin with the lion under the tree, there's a couple that are graded in PCGS holders at MS62 for 170. They haven't sold at that, but that's what they're listed as. There's one that's raw that's listed for $28, which that is actually about what I paid. If you recall, any price on these flips, I did not pay that price. I actually think that they put this one in at $27 or $28. So there's a raw one up there that I don't think looks as good a condition as this one for $28. There's another one that's in certainly much worse condition for $10. And that's it. There's looks like there are 4 of them up on eBay at the moment. So anyways, I guess we have an impromptu coin review in this video, and it will be one less country. So I've gone from 34 to 3 coins now that I can't use in the book, so that's down to 31, and 2 of my coins were duplicate for New Guinea, so looks like I only came home with 30 coins from the coin show for the book. Anyways, let me know what you think of that coin. I think it looks worth grading, even if it's copper nickel and not an actual coin, but a trade token. So let me know what you think. Anyways, that'll be it for today. Thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you next time.